Welcome back to the channel. Now sleeve number 3 is down. So what do we have to look very careful about, Egil?
Yeah, you need to make sure the edge of the sleeve is below the surface of the of the motor.
Yeah, so the sleeve must be more down than the engine block.
I think this looks okay.
And then you have to try about that you can feel about that this one sleeve will be down to the engine block, right?
Yeah, I think now it's down.
Yeah, now you're down to 0. Looks very nice. So then right now the sleeve will be down to the old surface here, so we are like 0.2, 0.3 down from the engine block. Looks very nice. So far these 3 sleeves have go very well. So we have used the same amount about the force, so the size have been very normal to all 3 holes. Looks very nice. So now we are ready for sleeve number 4, Egil.
Yep.
So then I will go down and untie these nuts down here so we can take the threaded bar out, and then we can do number 4. And this oil pump we have to take away, but that's only a like small job. It goes very well. See you soon to more sleeves and more engine work. See you soon. Cheers.